Today's author study is going to be over Eric Carle. So just like we've been doing all week, the first box you're going to fill in his birthday. Right here, you're going to type in his place of birth. Here, you're going to give any information you can find about his family. In this box, you are going to type things about his early years, such as his school and education. Down here in this box, you're going to type a quote that you find that he said or something he's famous for saying. On the next tab, you're going to fill in a timeline of events in Eric Carle's life. Remember, it's in chronological order. So from the beginning of his life all the way up until the end or present day if he is still alive. On the next slide, you are going to write some books that Eric Carle has written. A lot of these are for the younger grade levels. You've probably heard of or read many Eric Carle books in kindergarten and first grade. Here you're going to type a list of awards that Eric Carle received for his books. On this slide, you're going to do your book talk. Type the title of the book, write a summary of the book, and again, if you've never read one of his books or if you can't remember, you can use the book at the end of this comprehension lesson to do the summary over, and then you will give your reflection on what you thought about the book. Over here, you will insert a picture of the book. You're going to type the genre, the pages, and the year the book was published. On this slide, you're going to type 10 interesting facts about Eric Carle. And lastly, you're going to cite your sources by copying and pasting the links that you used to find this information. And then we have our read aloud, The Tiny Seed by Eric Carle.